Hello and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm happy to say, guys, that the EURUSD signal from the midweek analysis is so far running in profit of so far 48 pips. Pound USD also has been activated and running in 32 pips. AUDUSD has almost been activated, just reversed like 4 pips far away. USDCAD is right now also in profit of 8 pips so far. Other signals haven't been activated, but the gold sadly has failed. So I think out of 7 signals, 3 not activated, 3 are in profit, and 1 has failed. I think this is actually a good winning ratio. Anyway, guys, I will help you this week, hopefully, with a Friday analysis video. But until then, we can actually trade the pound GPY for the deal of the day for today. What? Anyway, let me just tell you something, guys. Based on the daily chart, we're having here a strong bullish momentum so far, and seems like we're having here also a channel that tells us that most likely the pound GPY will actually going to continue the rise till it reach the end of that level of or that channel and reach the highest level of a resistance exactly at 186.473. That means that we have to consider buying this pair. However, it's a matter of where exactly we can place our buy order. Let's go now to the 1 hour time frame, since we are talking about the pound GPY here. So right now, as we can see right there, exactly at this level at 185.096, here we're having actually a strong level of a support, but we want actually to start buying this pair once it reaches that level of a broken resistance exactly right here at 185.045. As we can see, this was of course the nearest level of a resistance to that bullish breakout candle. Also, it was a strong key support level in the past as well. So by checking the Fibonacci retracement, I believe this is going to be Fibonacci 50, right? It's between 50 and 60, which is fine. However, we have to also right now check the trend lines, and as we can see, what I will do is simply draw the support trend line just like that. What I will do right now, of course, is something called the magic of trend lines. It's of course part of my videos on my channel called the magic of trend lines. What you will do next is simply drag the very same line that you have just drawn here and place it all the way right here at the nearest resistance trend line. Check this out. Right there lies the nearest resistance trend line, which actually has been broken out from. Now we can wait for the pound GPY to fall again all the way right here and retest first of all the broken level of a real support and a resistance as well. Plus, it will be retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. Adding to the mix, of course, that we're having here a strong key support trend line. Check this out. Right here exactly, we can expect from the market to be respecting the same level of a support. The trend line repeatedly happened, and then actually there is a lot of pressure on that level. And considering that we are actually right now on upper trend, most likely the pound GPY will actually be reversing exactly at that point after it falls to another 32 pips. Of course, if that happens, we will actually be aiming the highest level of a resistance right there, back to the 1 hour time frame. We will be aiming the highest level of a resistance at 185.913, expecting to make sweet 86 pips profit from this signal, and a stop loss that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 184.611, which means our stop loss will be 42 pips against 87 pips of profit. Alright, so there goes your signal. And by the way, guys, let me just tell you something, that we are having a potential drawdown to be all the way right here until 184.777. That's, in my opinion, gonna be the maximum drawdown that we might have, because this is the nearest support also to that bullish breakout candle. However, most likely this is not gonna happen, but I'm just giving you the possible scenario that we can expect a drawdown for about, I would say, like 25 pips, maybe 26 pips, I think 27 pips before finally becomes in profit. So therefore, please trade wisely and don't enter this trade with a big lot size. Again, considering the support trend line that we have drawn here exactly and placed it on that level of a resistance trend line, I'm telling you that this is most likely not gonna happen. I'm just giving you the worst scenario that we might have, and expect a small drawdown to create a tail maybe, and then the market will continue the rise. Until then, of course, we have to understand that this signal might not be profitable, and we might actually lose money on this signal, because not just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader, meaning it will be 100% profitable. There is always a possibility that any signal I'm sending here might fail, just like what happened with the gold. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.